Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, wow, am I really letting myself become like this? If you're trying to lose weight, manage your blood sugar, or simply feel better, but it seems impossible, you're not alone. Every day, you see people your age who are in great shape, full of energy, and enjoying life. And you wonder, why not me? Maybe you need to lose weight to fix diseases like heart disease or diabetes. Or maybe you just want to feel strong and energized again, so you can care for your family, travel, and do the things you love. But instead, you feel stuck, confused by conflicting health advice, or like your body isn't working anymore, or like it's already too late. I get it. I've spent the last 15 years of my life studying a single question. Why do some people stay healthy, strong, and full of life into their 90s, while others suffer for decades, losing their vitality, independence, and joy? That question became deeply personal to me when I watched it happen to my own grandmother, Nan. You see, Nan was a vibrant, passionate woman, well into her years as a grandmother. She loved gardening, traveling, and poured her energy into our family. But slowly, she started to neglect her health. And over time, she declined steeply. She gained weight, she suffered a heart attack, and she developed severe diabetes. And she went from being the heart of our family to someone in and out of hospitals, withdrawn, limited, and dependent on others. And watching her lose her spark broke my heart. And the worst part? Well, I was just a teenager at the time. I couldn't do that much to help her. But that pain became my fuel. Even though she's no longer with us, her suffering is the reason I chose my career, determined to find out how we can age with strength and joy and help other families avoid the same fate. I started with a degree in nutrition, but I needed deeper answers. So I studied medicine, but not just anywhere, in Italy, right in the heart of the Mediterranean, a region famous for having the world's longest living populations. And for 6 years, I lived and studied there, immersing myself in the culture, the science, and the daily habits of people who live long, healthy lives. And what I saw changed everything. I met women in their 80s and 90s with a sparkle in their eyes. They dressed up every day with earrings, scarves, and lipstick. They walked daily, cooked real food, and stayed deeply connected to their family and communities. Their bodies were slower, but their lives were not smaller. They were still living fully, and I realized something critical. It wasn't about luck, it wasn't about Italy, and it wasn't just genetics. It was their lifestyle. In other words, the way they lived. But I knew that I couldn't just copy and paste that lifestyle into other places, like my home country, the US. I needed to extract the principles, the timeless tenets behind their health, and adapt them to work in places like the US, where life is built for convenience, stress, and processed everything. So once I returned to the US, I made it my absolute mission to turn those timeless principles into something that actually works here. I spent every spare hour building a practical system, a protocol, if you will, that could adapt those Mediterranean tenets into modern American life. The fast pace, the stress, the convenience culture, and all the processed food. Little by little, I started using it with my patients during clinical visits, and the results were remarkable. At the same time, I began sharing tiny pieces of the system on YouTube, just simple tips, small insights, a recipe here or there, single threads from the bigger fabric I had created. And the response from thousands of viewers blew me away. Because even those tiny fragments, well, they helped people so much. So check it out. We've had people like Mary, who lost 38 pounds in 5 months from adopting the Mediterranean diet eating. Or Betty, who lost 23 pounds just after following my free YouTube content. Or Jake, who after following my content and teachings, got off both of his blood pressure medications. Or Sharon, who is 66 years old and follows my YouTube content, and after 6 months of eating the Mediterranean diet foods, She went to the doctor, and her A1C blood test was down to 6.2%, meaning she no longer has diabetes. Or there's Angela, who after following my teachings for 6 months, she got her A1C from 13.7% down to 6.7%. She cut it in half. And then we have Bob. Just by following what I share for free on my YouTube videos, well, he was able to cut down his cholesterol from 145 to 95. And the LDL bad cholesterol, well, that got cut down from 85 to 41. That means he took his numbers that were unhealthy and he put them well into the healthy ranges. Or we have Harris, who finally had the confidence to try new foods like quinoa and farro, and he started to feel better. The possibilities really are endless. And here's the thing. You could be the next success story. Want to know why I say that with so much confidence? Well, if you go onto PubMed, which is like the Google website of scientific research studies, and you type in the term Mediterranean diet, which is a foundation of what I teach, you will find more than 13,000 scientific articles. That means this is not just my opinion. This is proven stuff. It's backed by research on millions of people. Yes, you heard that right. You are very likely to succeed, lose weight, and improve your health by following the system. And that means by the time your next family or community event rolls around, instead of answering, "Hey, what are you up to these days?" you could be hearing, "How did you do that? And can you help me do it too?" And the truth is, you probably could. Because this method isn't complicated and it's not extreme. But the results, well, they can change your life and leave others speechless. But this is not just about what others think. It's about you, your quality of life, your energy, and your freedom. What would it mean for you to have the energy to play with your grandkids again, to travel, to be a strong, steady presence in your family instead of feeling like a burden? And how would it feel to know that you're doing everything in your power to protect your health and age with your abilities fully intact? Now, what I want to do is make these teachings easier than ever for you to apply to your life. I want to show you the ropes, the exact way that I learned in my time in Italy. But I didn't just want to throw it together in a course and call it a day. I wanted to create something supportive, practical, and transformational. That's why I built something unique, the Take Back Your Life community. This transformational program is where I can show you exactly what to do. You can start getting the health results you want today. And you can do this by being guided through these timeless principles, learning how to lose weight, regain energy, and rebuild your health with ease. No extreme diets, no unsustainable routines. Just a lifestyle that finally feels natural. So imagine losing weight and getting healthy being as easy as going on vacation with a step-by-step plan, engaging conversations, new activities, and supportive friends to make it fun. If all that were true, would you at least be interested? Because this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now you might be wondering, well, what exactly is Take Back Your Life? How does it work? And how much does it cost? Excellent questions. Let me break it down for you. The Take Back Your Life community is my digital membership space. But more than that, it's the bridge between where you are right now and the life you want to be living. It's designed specifically for adults like you, people who are ready for change, but need a clear path, real support, and something that actually works in real life. Because inside, you don't just get information, you get transformation, powered by 3 essential tools that are the keys to lasting success. So let's go through them. First, you get the Take Back Your Life program. Well, this is my easy-to-follow, on-demand course that guides you step by step through your health journey. It cuts through the noise with clear practical information, best practices, and simple exercises that can truly change your life without strict diets or unsustainable routines. And you'll have 24/7 access, and here's what you'll learn. You'll learn what's been secretly sabotaging your health for years, so you can stop blaming yourself and start taking control. You'll learn how to shift your mindset, So making healthy choices becomes natural and not a constant battle. You'll learn how to identify which foods nourish you and which ones silently drain your vitality. So that every time you open your pantry, walk into a grocery store, or sit down in a restaurant, you feel calm, confident, and clear. And you'll learn how to use my framework for healthy eating, something I call the perfect meal formula, to help you stabilize your blood sugar, reduce your cravings, and jumpstart your weight loss goals. You'll learn how to create a daily rhythm that supports your body, so weight loss, better sleep, and more energy come naturally to you. And you'll learn how to lock in lasting habits, so even when life gets messy, your progress doesn't fall apart. This program is specifically designed for adults over 60. No calorie counting, no giving up your favorite foods, and most importantly, you don't have to do it alone. And if I were offering this exact transformation to my private patients, with everything I've learned from my years of medical training, my studies in nutrition, and my time living in the Mediterranean, well, if you were sitting across from me in my office, receiving this level of support and clarity, what would be the value of this? It would be more than fair to price this at $999. And honestly, that would still be a bargain. Think about how much you currently pay for your medical and healthcare costs, especially when it comes to all the products, devices, and memberships people pay to lose weight, improve their energy, blood sugar control, etc. And even more so, most people spend far more money chasing diets that don't work. So, what's the second thing you get? You will get weekly live coaching sessions with me. This is where most programs totally fall short, but it's also what makes the biggest difference. You see, every single week, I go live to coach you. These are real interactive coaching sessions with me where you can ask your questions, get feedback, go deeper into the tools you've learned, and stay accountable and connected to your goals. Now, if you were to work with a lifestyle medicine doctor directly for this kind of support, well, what would be the value? Honestly, you'd easily pay $300 to $500 per session. And that would be nearly $2,000 a month for those 4 sessions a month. And even group programs led by non-doctors often cost at least $200 a month. So that's why I say this part of the program alone is worth at least $400 a month. And that's a conservative estimate. So what's the third thing you get? Well, you get full access to the private community forum. Now, let's talk about something nobody says out loud. Trying to change your health alone is exhausting and so darn difficult. That's why I specifically designed this program to be based on a community. And part of the reason changing your health is so challenging is that often you don't have a support system. Maybe your friends aren't on the same path, or your families are resisting the changes. And traditional healthcare usually gives you just 2 rushed 15-minute visits a year. So realize that this community is more than a group. It's your health tribe. Inside, you'll celebrate wins, you'll share your struggles, and you'll stay motivated. You'll be able to ask for help and get real answers from others who are on this transformation with you. And you'll be able to post your meals, track your habits, be seen, supported, and celebrated. This is your safe space. And the value of this forum, the community alone, well, frankly, this kind of high-quality peer support combined with direct access to me would easily be worth $50 a month. So now, let's add it all up. In the Take Back Your Life community, here's what you'll get. You'll get the full Take Back Your Life program, value $999. You'll get weekly live coaching sessions with me, Dr. Anna, value $400 a month. The Take Back Your Life community forum, value $50 a month. Total real value, over $6,000 a year. Now, before you even start to wonder whether $6,000 is a lot, let me help you put this into perspective. What would it cost you to ignore your health for another year? To stay stuck in the same patterns, with the same symptoms, and watch things slowly get worse? What would it cost to have the problems you have now, and possibly new ones too? And what would you pay to have your energy back, to feel strong, mobile, and free in your body again? What's the value of preventing a future filled with medications, hospital visits, or even complications like amputations or losing your independence? How much would it be worth to wake up without pain, to enjoy time with your family, to live the next 10, 15, or 20 years with vitality and not limitation? And what's the value of being part of something that finally works? Not just another diet or gimmick, but a system that supports you fully from the inside out? If we're being honest, these things, well, they would be unaffordable. But listen, because you've made it all the way to the end of this video, because you showed up, you stayed engaged, and you're clearly ready to make a real change, I want to do something extraordinary for you. You've seen the full value of this program. Over $6,000 of tools, coaching, and support designed specifically for adults like you and built from my unique knowledge and experience, from my background in nutrition, my work as a doctor, and my extended real-life experience immersed in Mediterranean culture. And in most other programs out there, that's likely what it would cost. But because I really believe in this cause, I want to do something truly amazing for you. For a really limited number of people watching this video, which includes you today, you won't pay $6,000. You won't even pay half of that. In fact, you won't even pay a quarter of that. You will get access to the entire Take Back Your Life program, weekly live coaching sessions with me and the other members, and 24/7 full access to the private community forum with people just like you for just $49 a month. Another way to say that is that for you, today only, this program is more than 90% off the real value. That is the lowest price this program will ever be, and prices will go up very soon. And the best part is, I'll lock in your low rate for life. Once you step inside and feel what it's like to finally be supported, seen, and guided every step of the way, you won't want to leave. And you can stay as long as you like. And if you do decide that it's just not for you, you can cancel anytime. But remember, this is your moment to take back control, to feel energized again, stop guessing, and start living. Click the button below and join us inside the community. I'll be there waiting for you, cheering you on, and guiding you forward. Let's take back your life together.